Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. Today we are going to see ICAR AIEEA PG question paper with solutions 2020 of subject Agricultural Engineering. Part 1. How much energy will be available from a biggest plant with the following details? Burner efficiency 60%, methane proportion 0.8, the heat of combustion of methane 28 megajoule per meter square, and volume of biogas produced per day is 2.4 meter cube. The answer is 8.8 kilowatt hour per day. Now see the solution. Burner efficiency is 60%, methane proportion 0.8, the heat of combustion of methane 28 megajoule per meter cube, and volume of biogas produced per day is 2.4 meter cube. In 1 meter cube biogas, 0.8 meter cube is methane. Therefore, 2.4 into 0.8 is equal to 1.92 meter cube methane is there in 2.4 meter cube biogas. Energy is equal to 1.92 into 28 into 10 raised to 6 into 0.60, which will give you 3225600 joule per day. Now we want to convert this joule into watt hours. So 1 joule is equal to 0.000277778 watt hour. So we will get 8.9 kilowatt hour per day. Now evaluate the following integral. Integration of x cube dx. So we know that integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So by putting value we will get answer 15 by 4. Movement of water into soil at the surface is called lateral flow, infiltration, seepage, percolation. The answer is infiltration. C. The process of entry of water into the soil is called infiltration, and the time rate at which water percolates into the soil is known as infiltration rate. Now if x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta, then find dy by dx. So for that we need to find first of all dy by d theta and dx by d theta. Then by dividing this we will get the value of dy by dx as minus cot theta. 1000 kg of grain at 10% wet basis moisture was stored in coastal region for 6 months, where grains absorbed 50 kg water vapor. The amount of dry matter content in final product will be 900 kg, 1000 kg, 950 kg and 1050 kg. So in 1000 kg of grains 10% wet basis moisture was there. That means 900 kg water is present in 1000 kg of grains. So amount of dry matter is 900 kg. Find the capacity of field chopper with a throat size of 25 into 5 cm operating at 50 rpm. With the help of information, number of knives in cutter head is equal to 2, bulk density of material is equal to 500 kg per meter cube, length of cut is equal to 2 cm, field efficiency of chopper is equal to 70%. Options are 5000 kg per hour, 525 kg per hour, 1000 kg per hour, 1050 kg per hour. The answer is 525 kg per hour. The solution of given problem is found out by this formula. Go through that. Now given below are two statements. Statement 1, increase in thermal conductivity increases thermal diffusivity. Statement 2, materials having higher specific heat possesses lower thermal diffusivity. Choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is true. Give the answer of this question in the comments box. The design of the operator workplace in the machine is related to seat index point, seat reference point, center of gravity of tractor, geometric center of tractor. Please find the answer of this question. GAP stands for Guide for Accelerated Procedure, Grain Aeration Procedure, Good Agriculture Practices, Graded Active Packaging. The answer is Good Agriculture Practices. It stands for GAP. Which of the following expression is correct for increased draft due to increase in speed? D0 is equal to static component of draft independent of speed. ds is equal to draft at speed s. K is equal to a constant depending on machine type and operating condition. ds is equal to d0 plus ks square. ds is equal to kd0 minus s square. ds is equal to kd0 plus ks square. ds is equal to kd0 minus ks square. The answer is ds is equal to d0 plus ks square. Please refer this formula. In the universal soil loss equation USLE, A is equal to RKLSCP. The parameter S stands for channel slope, steepness of slope factor, length of slope factor, average channel length. The answer is steepness of slope factor. For each and every parameter, go through these notes. Which of the following is true in respect of volume median diameter and number median diameter? VMD is greater than NMD, NMD is greater than VMD, VMD is equal to NMD, VMD is equal to 2NMD. The answer is VMD is greater than NMD. So to find out the definition of VMD and NMD, write this theory. Read this theory. Which of the following is decimal number representation of 10,000 is to 2? Means they are representing binary number as 10,000 and we need to find the decimal number. Option A 2, 4, 8, 16. The 10,000 is represented a decimal number 16. So how to find out? Let's check it. Find binary number of 16. First we need to write the given number. First condition is if number is even. So 16 is even number. So write down 16 as it is. After that 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 4. 4 divided by 2 2 and 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So for even number write 0 and for odd number write 1 and go from downside to upside. You will get the binary number. Now if number is odd, assume that we need to find the binary number of 17. So write down 17 as it is. 17 by 2 is equal to 8. Ignore remainder. 8 by 2 4, 4 by 2 2, 2 by 2 1. So represent odd number by 1 and even number as 0. So you will get binary number 10001 and always remember that we need to go from downside to upside. Which of the following is not considered under the fixed cost of machine? Insurance charge, housing charge, overhead charge, depreciation. Overhead charge. The relative proportion of sand, silt and clay in a soil sample designates soil structure, soil texture, soil strength, soil hardness. The answer is soil texture. The exposure limit as prescribed by the Swedish National Board of Occupational Safety and Health for respirable dust is 5 mg per meter cube, 10 mg per meter cube, 15 mg per meter cube, 20 mg per meter cube. So I didn't got answer of this question, so you find on internet. Among the following, which unit operation is performed at the end of seed processing? Sorting, dressing, drying, conditioning. The sequence of operation in seed processing is drying, receiving, pre-cleaning, conditioning, cleaning, separating, treating, wetting, bagging and storage and shipping. Which of the following is considered under conservation tillage? Seed drill, zero till drill, planter, transplanter? The answer is zero drill. First unit operation in oil refining process is blanching, winterization, deodorization, alkali treatment. The answer is deodorization. First treatment is deodorization, second is wintering, third is neutralization, fourth is blanching. The function of transducer is to amplify the input signal, average the fluctuating type of input signal, convert the input signal from one physical form to other form, regulate the signal for control application. The answer is control the input signal from one physical form to other form. C. The transducer is the device which transforms energy from one form to another. Amino acids are the basic components of fat, protein, starch, fiber. The answer is protein. Proteins are built as chains of amino acids. A bar is equal to I plus 2j and B bar is equal to 2I plus j. Which of the following statement holds true? A bar is equal to B bar. A bar is not equal to B bar. A bar is not equal to B bar. A bar is equal to B bar. A bar equal to B bar. A bar is equal to B. A bar is not equal to B. A bar is not equal to B. So I am not good in maths. So you will find the answer of this question. Flow rate of a particular nozzle used for spraying liquid pesticides is proportional to pressure of spray material, volume of spray material, square of volume of spray material, square root of pressure of spray material. The answer is square root of pressure of spray material. C. Flow rate of a particular nozzle is proportional to square root of pressure. Discharging rate is proportional to orifice area. Nozzle on field sprayers have spray angle 60 degree to 90 degree. Which of the following is true for the cohesion of soil? It varies directly with surface tension and directly with particle size. It varies inversely with surface tension and inversely with particle size. It varies directly with surface tension and inversely with particle size. It varies inversely with surface tension and directly with particle size. Pycnometer method is used for the following determination of which of the following properties of grain: surface roughness, bulk density, specific gravity, color. The answer is bulk density. The recommended top width of an embankment of palm pond up to a height of 3 meter is 1.2 meter, 1.5 meter, 1.8 meter, 2.1 meter. Clutch of a tractor is designed on the basis of constant torque, constant pressure, constant power and constant speed. As you everyone know the answer of this question, I am not going to tell answer. Specific draft of a tillage implement is defined as horizontal component of the pool, vertical component of the pool, draft of the implement per unit cross sectional area of the furrow slice cut by the tillage tool of the implement, draft of the implement in a specific soil condition. The answer is third option. The hydraulic design of the drop inlet structure consisting of knowing which of the following parameters: rainfall depth expected, peak rate of runoff expected, the inflow hydrograph, both the rate of runoff expected and the inflow hydrograph. The correct answer is option number 4. C. The hydrologic design of drop inlet structure consists of knowing both the peak rate of runoff expected and also the inflow hydrograph. The latter is needed as temporary storage of water is created in case of these structures. The outflow will not be same as the inflow like in drop or chute spillways. Beyond break-even point, net loss of a processing plant will be what percent of the total? 0, 25, 50, 100. The answer is 100. So see, what is break-even point? The break-even point may be defined as the point of sales volume at which total revenue is equal to total cost. It is a point of no profit, no loss. A business is said to be break-even when its total sales are equal to its total cost. The break-even point refers to the level of output which evenly breaks the cost and revenues, and hence the name. Thank you for watching our video. For more such questions, please be with us and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.